So hi everybody and welcome back to Blender tutorial series for absolute beginners. This is video number 70 and in this video we are sculpting. We are sculpting a monster which we want to use in our game. So for that we go here on top file, we go to new and here we said go to the sculpting mode. We don't save here and we are now in sculpting mode. Then we go here top to the edit to go down to the preferences. And here we check this orbit around selection and all other are fine. Then we go here and we can activate symmetry. Symmetry means it's just a mirror, which means I change one side, the other side is the same. That's very handy if you make legs, which I'm going to do. So I activate this one too. Then I press 1 and I'm in the front view. And then I can press space, which shows all options which are available here on the left side too, but here we have all the names. If you must hold space and then you can see that. In my case, I want just grab here the grab tool. Then I press right click with my mouse and then this pops up and I change the radius a little bit, the strength a little bit. And now I grab it and this what I'm going to do are legs. So let's pull it down, and I have something like legs. Let's go with Control 1 to the back side and make legs behind 2. So, and then pull this down, so around. So now I have legs behind 2. Let's make a head. And for a head, I need only 1. So that's why I deselect my symmetry here on top. Then I go here and say here I want something like a head later. And this one will be changed in a moment. And let's go with Control 1 again to the backside and make here a tail, something like so. And that was not good. Control Z to revert. Let's go to the side view. Makes perhaps more sense. This one is my head, which points there. I think the head is also bad. Let's make this Control Z one more and create one more time a head. Let's go to the front view. And this time, let's press G, because I know G means grab. And if we press G, let's try to make it along the Z axis here a little bit. And later we can change here the head anyhow. This one should be later my head. We can here do something, but not right now, because let's give it a shape first. And now we need at the end here a tail too. Let's make this one too. Let's give him here a tail, something like so. Now we have a tail, monster tail. And good. This one looks not very good, but is something like a tail. So we have already our base shape for our monster. And a monster should, let's get rid of this camera here, light camera, because I don't need that. So, and we have a shape of a monster, which I'm going to attack, or it is attacking me. That's good. So let's move here a little bit long. Which we want is I press space again. This time I select X for draw, and I can make the face here a little bit more something like a face. And yes, I can keep that one, not too much. And here we make the same with a tail. Let's make here the tail a little bit bigger. Now we have something like a tail, but not perfect. That's okay. And we go here. Face is okay. We have something like, and the legs we can also make here. There, Control Z, because for the legs I need activate again the symmetry. I want them affect both at the same time, not one. I go to the front view with 1, and then I want use here symmetry, and let's press G for grab again, and let's change here a little bit the legs. Oops, where I am. I jumped away. Okay, now I have here something like legs. The same goes for the background. Control 1 for the background. Let's change here also the legs here like you want. And this one is all time jumping a little bit. And now you have to sculpt this out. Of course, in my case, That would take too long here online. That's why I make a very simple shape here and keep that what I have here and go on to the face. Here on the face, I press again space to see what I need. And I take something like, let's take the drawer again. Let's zoom in and let's press shift. It's the opposite side. So we can draw this back. And then we have something like this. And then we can go on if we want with all the things. But I think I keep this as my base shape. The only thing what I need is a mouth because it should look a little bit brutal. And that means I need here something like a big mouth. Let's do it. Let's make a big mouth here. Something like, let's see if I can make this. Goes in, it goes in. Goes more in. Looks not a big mouth, it looks like a little mouth, but it looks something. Let's go here on the bottom a little bit. And go here. Okay, I think that's enough. I have not too much time to make it perfect. That is not the goal here. To make it a perfect thing. It looks like a monster, yeah, something like that. Looks like not a real monster, but it's the beginning of a monster. Baby monster, something like that. And yeah. So actually we should go on with some eyes. Eyes is very tricky, that's why I will use here spheres and put them on, and that's it for the eyes. But we can give here some shapes little bit more because this one looks like not really a monster. We could press space. We go drawing. Let's see. Let me space grab this perhaps. That was G. I have to go here symmetry again. G, and let's take this one down a little bit so. Okay. Looks like not really a monster. Looks really too soft anyhow. But like more a fat little thing. All right. So I think we can go here. Okay, that would take too long. So I want to do one more thing with this. And actually I keep this one here. I add just fast eyes, and how we are going to add eyes is we switch back to layout mode, which means I go here can I go to the layout mode here? Normally shift A, I should be able to go there. And let's see, object mode, I go here to the object mode and then shift A, and then I add a sphere, icosphere, or just a round anything. And that was it not. Delete this one, shift 8, mesh UV sphere. Let's add this one. Why is looking grip? It was in this one, sorry. And then we scale this down, right? And then we can grab this one and put this one here as eyes. Let's press, yes, let's grab this here. And yeah, something simulating our eyes again. And then after we have this one, we can just duplicate this one here on the side, right click. Where is duplicate? Okay, this one is not working here, but we can duplicate it here then. And where is duplicate here? Duplicate object, yes. And then we have here on another side also an eye. Of course, we can grab this and adjust this eye. And it looks not like a monster who is a little dazzled. Oh, it should look a little bit dazzled. That's why he's attacking us, because he has no clue what to do. Dazzled monster is even better than a normal monster, right? So, we have our dazzled creature. Of course, you can go on and make this perfect, but I want going to do one more step. We select all here on the right side and then press Ctrl G to join. Now they are all together, which means I have one mesh. And now I will stop here, and in the next video we will animate this so he can at least walk and perhaps give him some colors too. So you got a color. And yeah, that was it for this video. See you in the next. Bye.